Booking your first cruise, don't just pick any cabin. This can make or break your experience. Inside, ocean view, balcony, suite, it matters. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley, the cruising nurse. As a travel advisor, I get asked this question all the time by first-time cruisers and clients. Which cabin should I choose and why? So we're gonna break this down today. The first cabin category we're gonna talk about is inside cabin. This is great for budget cruisers, those that like dark areas, and also quiet. But it depends on where you place your cabin, how quiet it's gonna be, and we're gonna get into that in a little bit. Next, we're gonna talk about the ocean view cabin. This is great for those cruisers that have a little bit more of a budget. It's kind of a mid-tier cabin, and there's natural light that's let in through either a porthole or a picture window, depending on the ship and the cabin category. This is great for those first-time cruisers that want to splurge a little bit, but not necessarily book a balcony cabin. Now we're gonna get to my ultimate favorite cabin type. It is the balcony. This is great for a cruiser that wants to enjoy the views coming into port. You're going to have outdoor space, lots of natural light. It's a little bit higher on the budget end, so you have to take that into consideration. But if you are someone that wants to have more space, natural light, and be able to enjoy the sunrise on your balcony with a coffee or the sunset on your balcony with a drink in the evening, this will be the cabin for you. Now, the last class we're going to talk about is the suites. These are often referred to as a ship within a ship, and this is for the luxury traveler that wants a little bit of luxury, pampering, and some added amenities to their sailing. This is the highest price point on a cruise ship, so take that into consideration. But if you're looking for a little bit more of a high-end experience, a suite is definitely something to look into. As a first-time cruiser, you really need to weigh in three things: budget, experience, and privacy. If you're looking for a budget cabin, an inside is going to be the way you go. If you're looking for an experience, then I would suggest the balcony. If you're looking for a luxury privacy experience, then I would go with a suite, because as I said, a lot of times you have private areas on the ship that the other passengers don't have access to. If you're looking for help with your first cruise experience, check the show notes. I have the links to my cruise essential must-have items and also my full packing list. Pro tip, when you are booking your cabin placement, make sure you are not booking it outside the elevators, under a nightclub, buffet, or the pool deck, because you will not have a quiet experience. It will be noisy and it will really hamper your cruise experience. Now that you know which cabin fits your style, comment below and let me know which cabin type you're going to book for your first cruise. I'm Ashley Neal. I'll see you next time.